2013 Mercedes-Benz SLK 320. I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery in this baby, alright? So come on, let's get it. You can do it while the car is not running or when the car is running, it's okay. It doesn't have the same problems as the Honda. Let's do this guy over here, 10mm. Like so. Alright, 10mm here, 10mm here. Wiggle it. Put this on the side. This is the ground. Try to put it on the side. Put it up. You need some muscle for this. Okay. Pretty much. My bed. This side is the power side. There you go. Power side is just a pain. There you go. Pretty much. Power, ground. Remove this. Remove this. Same way you remove it, same way you put it back. Like so. $10mm nut. Power to ground, it's whatever. There you go. There you go. Tap it so it's all the way down, alright? Pretty much. Tight it. Now this battery is a NTP 48H6. That's the date it was built, March 25th. And over here it tells you the warranty. You have like 30 months. So if the battery goes bad within 30 months, you could replace it for free. Alright? That's pretty much it with this baby. I hope you like the video. Hope you enjoy. You know where to find me. It's me, Astuvo Budum. Holla at your boy. Shout outs to everybody. Love you all. No Diddy. Yeah.